today is the senior sunrise, and it's where all the senior class comes out and we watch the sunrise together just to like inaugurate that the school year started and that we're seniors finally, and it's just like a little fun get together at this point.
It's really just to celebrate the growth that we've had as class members and to really celebrate like the camaraderie that's felt between our class.
We have donuts, all different types of flavors, and I'm gonna try each and every one, hopefully. We have spike ball, and honestly we have like a bunch of people playing board games like Uno, Monopoly, and all that. And honestly, it's just a big fun hangout with all the seniors. It's kind of cool because like some people you haven't seen since like elementary school, and it's actually like insane. I'm looking forward to all like the senior activities, especially like pep rallies and all that. And you know, like there's like grade level competitions too that like, you know, are very like fun for the seniors as well.
I'm looking forward to my term as class president. I think that it's really important to, you know, involve yourself with the school, and I think that I've been able to do that. So that's really exciting for me. I'm really excited to help plan prom, homecoming, all the assemblies, stuff like that.
The main thing I'm excited about is definitely the lacrosse season. We have a pretty good team this year, and I think we can make a good run in the state championship.
Just all the memories I get to make. We're all leaving for college, so it's good to just do everything that's available, prom, homecoming, all that stuff.
I'm looking forward to like all the activities, the senior like games and everything, all the stuff we have planned during like SGA and school. I'm just really excited how it's gonna end, and I hope it's really good. Martha, look at mine. Martha, look at mine.